One mistake can change everything. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, isn't just gear you wear. It's the last line of defense between you and serious injury. Whether you're on a construction site, in a warehouse, or handling chemicals, your safety depends on how you choose, wear, and maintain your PPE. Welcome to OSHA Outreach Courses. Our PPE Overview for Construction Training course is designed to keep you safe by teaching you the right way to use protective gear. In just 17 minutes, you'll learn the essentials of PPE without wasting time. In this course, you'll learn how to select the right PPE for different hazards, the correct way to wear and maintain your gear, how to recognize when PPE is needed and when it's not enough, tips on maintaining PPE so it's always ready when you need it. Did you know? A hard hat exposed to extreme heat can lose its protective strength. Our course shows you how to inspect your helmet, ensure a proper fit, and why storing it in the back of your car isn't a good idea. Eye protection is more than just putting on safety glasses. You need to choose the right type for the task, whether it's goggles for chemical splashes or face shields for flying debris. We'll show you how to pick the right protection and keep it in top condition. Constant noise can damage your hearing permanently. That's why this course covers ear protection, when to use earmuffs, when to choose earplugs, and how to make sure they fit right. Gloves can protect you or put you at risk. Learn how to choose gloves based on material, thickness, and resistance to cuts, chemicals, and heat. Plus, we'll cover when not to wear gloves, like around rotating machinery. Your feet and legs are vulnerable on the job. From steel-toed boots to metatarsal guards, choosing the right footwear is crucial. We'll break down the different types of safety shoes and how to maintain them for lasting protection. Breathing hazards are often invisible. Whether it's dust, fumes, or toxic gases, the right respirator can save your lungs. We'll teach you how to choose, fit, and properly maintain respirators, including how to pass a fit test. In environments with extreme heat or fire risk, flame-resistant clothing is essential. We'll discuss how to select the right gear and how proper maintenance ensures ongoing protection. Inspection and maintenance are just as important as wearing the gear. PPE that's worn out or damaged is just as bad as not wearing any at all. Learn how to inspect, clean, and store your gear to keep it ready when you need it most. Our PPE Overview for Construction course is 100% online, and in just 17 minutes, you'll gain the practical knowledge to protect yourself and your team. Plus, once you complete the course, you'll receive your OSHA certificate, proof of your commitment to workplace safety. Your safety shouldn't be an afterthought. Click the link in the description below to enroll today in the PPE Overview for Construction course. It's fast, it's comprehensive, and it could save your life.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.